Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Honda cbr600f3. First, you need to remove the seat, but however, there's no easy access. The bolt is behind the seat right here, so we have to remove the two panel on the side. Super easy. Take a flathead, twist this one. It's going to pop out of place. And then just pop the bodies off like that. And then the same to the left side. Just like that. After that, there's a two bolt underneath the seat. Just take a 10mm and take them off. It's in the same location either side. Once the bolt's out, you can just pop the seat right off. Now the battery is located underneath this plastic, so it's easy. Just take a Phillip and then undo the 3 screws. Once the screws are out, take this cover off, and there's your battery. Once you undo the terminals, you have to put your finger in here and just kind of yank the batteries out of it sideways in order to get it out. And then you just slide it out of there. Now get a brand new battery, slide it in at the angle, and then bolt it back down. It's always a good idea to grab a razor blade or file to clean out the contact of your wire contact terminal. So this way, when you put it on the brand new battery, you make sure you have a really good solid connection. And then another thing is, since these terminals doesn't work with the new battery that I got, because you have like arms that grab it onto the terminal, what I do is I flip them upside down, just like that, so you still get a solid connection. All right guys, so once your new battery is installed, before you put anything back together, it's always a good idea to make sure the bike works. So let's test it. And you want to make sure the turn signals, you basically want to just go through all your lights. So this way, if you have any issues, you will pop the fuse. And if it does, you can always check your battery, check your connections. So this way you don't end up putting everything back together and then you have another issue and then you got to take everything off again. But now everything works. Let's put everything back together. Put in the seat back on there. And you just need to make sure your hose lined up. I always like to hand tighten it before I use an impact gun, so this way you're not stripping out the bolts. After the seat is secure, you just need to pop the panels back in. The best way to do that is go ahead and get the back end hooked up like that. And then it's not very hard because the rest of the stuff just kind of pops it in place, and you can feel it. There's a piece in the back as well. You can feel it when it pops in. And then all you got to do is turn this a quarter, and then it's locked in place. And do the same thing on the other side. The back end in first, and then after the back is popped in, just come to the front, pop it in there. And then this piece will come out. Grab your screwdriver, turn a quarter. And that's it. And there you go, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below. And thank you guys for watching.